let's talk about the strike that's happening at the ports with all the freight. So how's that going to affect the trucking industry?
It's going to affect more than the trucking industry. It's going to affect everything in the United States. They say that it's going to affect the truck. Yeah, it's because it's going to affect them first, because they're the ones that get it in, or go in and get it and distribute it. But everybody's going to feel it.
But first and foremost, the trucking industry will have.
Well, of course, truckers always get bent over.
Are you concerned about how long this strike will last with the ports?
Well, we know it won't last past the first of the year if Trump comes in the office. When does he get inaugurated?
In January.
Well, that's about how long it'll last then.
So you think the strike will go to January?
Well, if the retards that are in there right now don't do something about it, start helping the negotiations to go along. And, I mean, they've already showed us for the last 4 years how retarded they are. And that they don't care about nobody but themselves in Hollywood and other rich people around the world. But for us regular American folks, they don't really give a darn about us.
So is this a scary time to think about going into the trucking industry? Is that scary?
Well, I'm real scared. I'm so scared I'm making some chicken fried pork chops because I'm scared like a chicken. Ooh. Walk, 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 walk.
No, I'm trying to be serious, Stephen. I'm trying to be serious. We know.
Are you trying to be serious?
Well, everybody knows from your videos that you're looking to get another truck now. So this.
Yeah, well, the guy said he was going to bring a truck down here, and then out, and I would pay him. It was a real nice classic, sky blue metal flake, and with a 500,000 miles on a 12.7 Detroit, 13 speed, 273 rears, I think it was, and really nice ride. Sky blue with metal flake and chrome everywhere. Not that that does anything, but I'm just saying it was a beautiful truck. And he said he'd bring it down here for me to look at, and I said, well, just bring it down here and I'll pay you for it. That was the last I heard from him. I haven't heard no more. That's the best deal I've seen. I seen some better deals, but they were smoked in, so.
Oh, tell them about that truck that you saw the cigarettes in and asked if it had been smoked in.
Oh yeah, today this guy had a truck, and I seen a cigarette laying on the dash, you know, the little pocket in the dash. Anyway, so I asked him. I said, let's give him a chance to lie. I said, so we asked him. I said, has this truck been smoked in? He said, nope. And I said, oh, I was just curious because I saw a cigarette laying in the dash. He says, well, if you're wasting my time, just don't even bother me. If you want to see the truck, then come down here and see it. I said, well, I am wasting your time. But, you know, or no, what was it? I replied like, oh, that's right. I told him I was wasting his time and that I wanted him to have a great day. Later. Because I wasn't interested in the truck.
Well, he absolutely lied to you from the very beginning.
That's the world we live in.
You saw the cigarette and he said no, it hadn't
He's
been
trying
smoked
to sell me an old broke down truck that's been smoked in. People tell you anything. You gotta tell me, yeah, it's never been smoked in. Sure, it's never been smoked in. What's that cigarette doing in the ashtray there? Oh, you need to go away. Uh-oh, I better turn my heat down on my grease.
Uh-oh, that one's got burning.
But speaking of trucking, ladies and gentlemen, I hope y'all get that strike taken care of. We don't need any more aches and pains that the Biden administration has caused us all for the last 4 years. And don't forget to vote. Vote for somebody other than Kamala.